Hi! In this tutorial you will learn how to paint roses with leaves. All you have to do is follow the brush strokes and keep the basic shapes in mind. So relax and let's get started. We will paint 3 roses from a top view perspective, but feel free to start with 1 rose or 2 roses. I will use cold pressed watercolor paper, watercolor paints and a round brush size 4. I'm using a smaller brush as I'm painting 3 roses in this painting, but you can use a bigger brush as well when using a larger sheet of paper or when you choose to paint 1 rose. When painting a loose rose, you don't have to paint it as realistic as how you see it. All you have to do is look at the basic shapes of this rose. When we look at a rose from a top view, you can see it has a circle shape. The petals are starting to bloom from the middle, so it starts with a small circle in the middle to bigger circles. What you also see is that all petals have C-shapes. They are starting as small C-curves in the middle, and they are becoming bigger C-curves towards the edges of the rose. With this in mind is how you're going to paint your rose as well. Now pick up a color of your choice for your rose, and let's start in the middle with small C-curves in a circle shape. This doesn't have to be perfect. Just create those small curves with the tip of your brush and go on to the next circle of petals, pressing a bit harder with your brush to create bigger curves in every circle of petals. Now after the first 3 circles of petals, put your brush into your cup of water to water down your paint and create thicker petals in the next circles. There you have it! 1 or more roses with leaves from a top view perspective. Great that you've painted along. Just enjoy painting the basic C-curve brush strokes of these roses and you'll get better at them every time you practice.